All right, it's time to see what's new at the library. Our first book is Proust and the Squid, The Story and Science of the Reading Brain by Marianne Wolf. This one is pretty much for the teachers. Okay, then there's The Writing Revolution by Judith Hochman and Natalie Wexler. Again, probably more for the teachers. And Reader Come Home, The Reading Brain in a Digital World by Marianne Wolf. Again, that one probably will only interest the teachers. Let's open the next box. Okay, it looks like we got 2 copies of Wondersmith, The Calling of Morrigan Crow by Jessica Townsend. I know that one was a student request. Last box. This is The Bullet Journal Method, Track the Past, Order the Present, Design the Future by Ryder Carroll. If you are using bullet journaling to keep track of anything, you might want to take a look at this. This is a guy who has ADHD who designed bullet journaling to help him keep track of everything. And that way he had a system that worked as flexibly as his mind could think. All right, come check them out. Bye, guys.